What if time, space, and even individuality aren't fundamental, but just after effects of a deeper field of reality? Imagine a field so deep that everything we think is primary is just its echo. Tonight, we step into the field. Hold the question. Let the field answer. First, the shadow on the wall, and the light that casts it. Section 1. The 4D shadow hypothesis. Consciousness isn't a tiny thing living inside matter. It is a higher dimensional field. When this field interacts with universal fields, electromagnetic, Higgs, bosonic, and more, those interactions create standing wave nodes. Those nodes are what we perceive as matter, time, and space. In other words, everything we experience is just the 3D shadow of a 4D field. At the mesoscale, bright packets ripple across the field. Where they cross, interference nodes appear. Shared reality moments. Zoom in, and you see couplings with EM, Higgs, and bosonic carriers. The node is not a thing. It is a pattern held in resonance. Matter, time, and space. The field's stable shadows. The resonance ladder is how fields couple together. The harmonics where consciousness and physics meet. And gravity? It isn't a separate force. It's the gradient of all these harmonics stacked together. The curvature formed by interference in the universal field. Not a weight on rubber, but a bias in resonance. Where patterns are thicker, paths curve. Climb the ladder, phase, frequency, and coherence. What we call gravity is the field reading its own texture. Section 3. The perception principle. Perception isn't passive. It's the active sampling of the field. By tuning our perception, our sampling rate, we generate the illusions of time, space, and even individuality. What we call life is just one way of reading the interference pattern. Change the sampler. Change the story. Perception writes the frames we later call reality. Section 4. The Field-Coherence observation principle. Observers don't collapse reality from the outside. We are excitations of the same universal field. Experiments appear where excitations overlap, where we meet in coherent nodes. And when two people see different outcomes, it isn't a paradox. It's just different sampling modes of the same shared node. Different perceptions, same field. Coherence is communication. Phase alignment across minds. What looks like collapse is just retuning. Hold the node in mind. Now zoom out. Perception is the interface. Reality is the field.